Hi everyone, welcome to DocSend's Perfect Pitch video series, where we offer actionable advice to help you fundraise. I'm Justin Izzo and I run DocSend's research and founder advisory programs. In this video, I want to offer you a few tips to help you organize your deck with a purpose and to guide readers so that you avoid oversharing. Now, the operating principle when building your pitch deck is that readers should never feel lost. They should always know where they are at any given time, and they should be assured that you know what kind of story you want to tell. Things like section headers, page numbers, and citations of key statistics will all go a long way toward giving your deck the structure that it needs so that investors are confident and always oriented. You'd be surprised how many founders don't include this kind of information. Another investor I know recommends founders to include a one-sentence thesis statement at the header of every page. This is a good tactic because it allows you to link every bit of information on a page or in a given section back to your thesis statement. But it also makes sure that you don't give away too much information in a given page, in a given section. This will help you give investors the information you need in a structured way, but it will help you avoid oversharing too much information, giving too much away, and not leaving enough discussion points for the meeting. And that's when you and your investors should really get down to the nitty-gritty of analyzing your business and what you have to offer. So a lot of structure here, including thesis statements, will help you avoid giving too much away in the space of a pitch deck and save some questions for the all-important investor meeting.